Letter to the Editor 給編輯的信，可能係香港中學生 No.1 最愛文體。每年嘅 DSE 作文都會係考生首選，如果有得揀嘅話。但係個個都寫 Letter to the Editor， 唔通個個都想寫 Letter to the Editor 咩？而有趣嘅係，考場裏面過半考生都做好寫 Letter to the Editor 嘅準備同覺悟。但係現實中，其實99% 嘅人都唔會寫過一封 Letter to the Editor 去俾一間報館或者雜誌編輯。咁我就要問在座嘅同學，到底我哋為乜嘢寫一封 Letter to the Editor 呢？寫呢封信嗰個初心到底係乜嘢呢？喺呢度呢，香港英文報紙界嘅大佬南華早報 South China Morning Post 就好清楚話俾我哋聽，我哋係要 feel strongly about these letters or any other aspects of the news。我哋係要有感而發，中文就係呢4隻字，有感而發。無論你係對另一位讀者嘅來信嘅想法有任何嘅意見，要作出二次評論，還是你係第一身對某一個嘅新聞、某一個議題直接回應，呢個就係我哋動手動筆去寫一封 Letter to the Editor 個初心或者本意，而唔係因為我對呢個 topic 識好多 vocab， 唔係因為我背咗好多靚字靚句，好熟 Letter to the Editor 個框架，之前作咗10封都攞好高分，而家第11封我唔理咩議題啦，總之我都好有信心。唔係因為我唔識作其他文體而焗住去揀呢一題，唔係因為老師逼我做功課，我唔知點解，總之要發表評論，唔係因為貪佢啲稿費，反正根本其實係冇稿費嘅。以上一切不良動機可以統稱為4隻字：別有用心。而呢度最正嘅地方係 South China Morning Post 仲要提醒我哋唔該唔好超過400字，夠皮啦，上限係400字。但係每日又有幾多學生考生喺度寫600衝800爆1000，身邊又有幾多嘅老師補習老師推波助瀾拍手讚好，然後再亮出一份份別有用心無病呻吟揼波中嘅疑似5星星真跡，讓呢個惡性循環得以無限傳承。阿門。以下時間呢，我想分享一封令我印象好深刻嘅 Letter to the Editor。等陣。係啦，封嘢喺樓上，跟我嚟。Raccoon Times Readers Column 浣熊時報讀者來信啊。Dear Editor, I'm writing to you because I am troubled, deeply troubled. Anyone who's been a parent knows that Crystal Promenade is the place to take your kids for a trip downtown on Saturdays, and there's no store more popular or harder on a parent's wallet than Toy Uncle. However, I've noticed that on windy days, the big statue above the entrance wobbles like the only thing holding it up is a couple of screws. 編輯閣下，我覺得好不安，非常之咁不安。所有做過父母嘅都知道，禮拜6一定係帶細路去呢個水晶海濱長廊度玩㗎。至於鋪頭呢，亦冇一間係比起 Toy Uncle 呢個玩具叔叔係更受歡迎，亦都更加令父母嘅銀包出血㗎。但係呢，我就留意到有時大風嗰陣呢，門口上方嗰個大雕像呢就會岌下岌下，好似淨係傷得嗰幾口螺絲就算咯。by the way， 我想你睇下呢封信，佢其實唔係好荒謬嘅。你見第一行用咗 I'm writing 啊，跟住有 this、I've noticed 好多嘅 contractions， 咁所以呢，教科書會話 Letter to the Editor 係荒謬嘅。但係你問我呢，佢又唔係真係需要咁荒謬，係咪？我哋話有感而發，所以你好真誠，好似傾偈咁樣將你想講嘅嘢講出嚟呢，反而係合適嘅。 我哋稱之為一個 formal conversational tone。If that statue's head tumbles loose on a busy day, children will be badly hurt. I've complained to the manager 3 times now, but he just isn't willing to rectify the situation. Are we supposed to wait for a terrible accident to happen before taking action? No. If heads are going to roll, then let it be the managers. Take that death trap down. Timothy Wiles, 69。如果有一日好多人嘅時候，呢個雕像個頭碌咗落嚟，小朋友係會重傷㗎。我試過向經理投訴3次啦，但係呢，佢似乎係唔願意做嘢咯。我哋係咪要坐視不理，坐等一單好恐怖嘅意外發生？唔應該係咁嘅。如果有人頭要落地，應該係經理個人頭要落地，將個死亡陷阱拆落嚟啦。Timothy Wiles， 69歲。死咗啦，搞出人命啦！但係呢，我都好多謝有曾經一位咁樣嘅讀者寫過一封咁樣嘅 letter to the editor， 去嘗試喚醒、警惕世人，去為公義發聲，為人命發聲。當中不免可能會揭露到背後牽涉嘅工程黑幕同利益集團，但係冇辦法，你實在係 feeling strongly。呢個 feeling 可能係哀傷，可能係憤怒。呢個就係 Letter to the Editor 寫作嘅初心，10隻字就係救人一命勝造7級浮屠。7隻字嘅話，可能係咁大件事冇人講，希望講完之後，呢個 insane 嘅世界可以 sane 返少少。到底最後呢封信其實有冇人睇？有幾多人認真看待？有幾多人得啖笑？而到最後，你呢個提出問題嘅人會唔會得到法律或者法律以外嘅制裁？都係要考慮清楚嘅。唔係話好悲傷呢，就唔需要守法；唔係話好憤怒就唔需要守法。你 feeling strongly， 最後都係要為自己嘅 feeling、自己嘅情緒去負責嘅。你聽嘅係 Resident Evil 生化危機3，呢度係 Raccoon City 浣熊市，一個喪屍多過人嘅地方。剩返未變做喪屍嘅人，要生還落去係相當之艱難。